Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. We are live here with breaking news this morning. Breaking news this morning, Elon Musk accepts Tesla, accepts Dogecoin to buy merchandise. It's a huge catalyst. You may not be an investor in Dogecoin, but this is a huge catalyst for Hood. A lot of us here invest in Hood. It's good for Tesla, it's good for Doge, it's good for crypto, and it's great for Robinhood. Let's discuss it live on the show. Let's get right into the trades, and you can see right here, we need things to move up today. We have got all kinds of losses over the last couple of weeks, but as you can see now, Dogecoin today is up 26.8%. If you've just joined us for the very first time, smash the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Join us live, come into the live chat, and take part in our community, our family of traders here today. I want to give out a huge shout out to Muzanella, who brought us this breaking news. I've got a wonderful team, family of researchers and traders, and I was sent this morning while I was in the bathroom cleaning my teeth. I learned of the news of Dogecoin and Elon Musk and Tesla. So thank you very much for bringing that to me, Muzanella. I really appreciate it very much indeed. So thank you very much for that. Okay, we're off and running. This could be a good day today for Hood, good day for crypto, and a good day for Tesla. Let's get straight into the portfolio right now. Here we are. As you can see, we've had an almighty drop. This portfolio is my real money. It's gone from $5,000, $5,500 all the way up to 58, and now back to 40. We've lost $10,000. Huge part of my portfolio in just a couple of weeks. It's been disastrous, but it's not a problem. We've repositioned. We're ready and set. We're waiting for a recovery. I believe it will come. We just got to hold on, and it'll be fine. So this is the live position right now. This is where we are right now. We're down nearly 1% on the hour, 1%, 1.25% today. Let's have a look. Right, let's get straight into Tesla. What is Tesla doing? Tesla is down pre-market. This could be what happens when you get down in the pre-market. It could be a big pop-up when the bell goes in just 25 minutes from now. Rivian is down 2.6%. Virgin Galactic is down 2.3%. GGPI is down 2.49%. Everything is down again this morning. Lucid is down 2.84%. What about Hood? We are down 2%. Everything is following the pattern. What about our crypto? Ethereum is now up 1.74%, 1.77% on the day. What about Doge? Doge is up 27% on this breaking news. Big morning for Doge. I'm not an investor in it, but it's a big morning for Doge, of course, and it's more importantly for us, those that invest in Robinhood, a good morning for that, and a good morning for Tesla as well. And all Bitcoin. Bitcoin, as you can see, is also up 1.19. This is the breaking news I'm bringing you here this morning, courtesy of Muzanella. Huge shout out this morning. We could have a very busy morning because of this breaking news. Let's see what happens. Thumbs up the video if you've just joined us. Subscribe and ring the bell, and of course, give us a. If you click the share button as well, you can do that under the video. You can click the share button. This is also the breaking news as well. Tesla to accept Dogecoin as payment for merchandise. Remember, it's merchandise. We can't buy a car with Tesla, but you can buy the merchandise. So it's a big deal that one of the biggest companies in the world has accepted Dogecoin as a payment. So it's a very, very big deal this morning, and nice one, Queenie. Let's have a look. Let's have a look now. Who have we got here coming into the chat? I might get some today. Bala said might get some. I don't know. I mean, it's a bit. I don't like buying stuff when it's up 27%. I've got to be honest. You should have bought it before, in my opinion. But who knows? It might keep running all day. Who knows? The Queen of Self-Braiding. Hi all. How are you? Dave Mottram is here in the house. Good morning. Leah is in the house. I invested in Doge. Well, you've made some money today then. Nice one, Queenie. There you go. So you guys are already in, so you'll be making some money this morning. Congratulations to you. Absolutely fantastic. Let's have a look now at what's going on. Let's see what's happening here this morning. We are now starting to lift off. I'm looking at a few different bits of information about all of this. If we get any of my team or researchers get any more breaking news, please send it in to me and I'll share it. Morning, everyone. Thanks for the news, Muzanella. I mean, literally, yeah, huge news this morning. I was, because Muzanella is 1 hour ahead of us, so he gets the news first. He's on the East Coast. He gets the news as it comes across from Europe, as America wakes up. I was cleaning my teeth, having a shave, getting ready for the day, and Muzanella set me on one almighty track, and in fact, so busy was I that I've not had chance to eat my Alpen. That's still in the bowl. And my tea is still undrunk. And I didn't get chance to make the bed. I always start by making the bed. So this morning was quite a dash because not only did we get the information on the screen, we also got out another video. Did you all see it? I managed to post a video. And I don't know if the rest of you have seen it. A 1 minute preview to the show and design the thumbnail. Did you like the thumbnail, by the way? Tried to animate it a little bit, made it cartoonish, because it's a meme coin, of course, and it's now being used to promote the biggest, one of the biggest businesses in the world. So pretty amazing day. I think you'll all agree. We've got from Uganda. We've got Zachary is here this morning. Lovely to have you here. Lovely to have you here. Oh. Breaking news as well, something to share with everyone. Saturday night at, I think it's 5 o'clock, or was it 4 o'clock? 4 o'clock, Saturday, I'll post it on my main channel. 4 o'clock, I'm doing a fundraising show where all the money goes to the victims of the tornadoes. As you know, tornadoes went through America the other day and wiped out a lot of people's homes and businesses, and people were killed, and terrible news. So on Saturday night, I've been asked to do a fundraiser gig where there's a special tip button and all the money goes to the charity. So if you want to support me on Saturday night, that'll be posted in my channel later on this week. I've not had a chance to do it yet, but it will happen. Okay. I watched the video and the ad. Did everybody see the ad before the show started? Just woke up, here we go, grabbed his comfy chair. Terrible, I watched the news. Yeah, awful, right? This is global warming, guys. The world is changing. We're now getting tornadoes in England. We never had that before. And of course, my friend Zach from Uganda, Africa, those third world countries are being impacted even more than we are, because they have even bigger problems than we do. Dr. Nathan Smith, good morning to you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Breaking news this morning. You all know about it. We've been talking about it on the show this morning already. Dogecoin is now accepted. You know, it's not something I currently invest in. You see, this is why, for me, Muzanella, Balasir, sorry, I wouldn't invest on it right now. Look, it's popped up 27. It's now back to 25. It's had a big pump this morning. I mean, I don't know if it'll continue all day. Who knows? But I don't like buying in when when something has already happened. But you can decide what to do. The choice is yours. Dave Mottram, hi, Bill and Doc. There we go. Everybody's in the house. Right. We've got 10 likes now. Smash the like button. When we get to 20 likes, we can bring in the family. That's what happens. Smash the like button. All right. We've got just 18 minutes to go. I was like forgetting what I'm saying. No, less than that now. Oh dear. Yeah, 20. Yeah, no, 18 minutes. I'm right. Okay. Let's go back to the portfolio. We're still bleeding money this morning. Absolutely unbelievable. Tesla is down 3%. Right, look. All these losses now this morning. If you can buy this morning, huge dips, look, and we're starting to get rises. So, I'm just not in a position. I don't have any money. I'm trying to get my 15 shares out of... I just bought 1,000 of Doge early this morning around 6:30. Well, that was perfect for you then, Muzanella. Nice one. Very, very well done indeed to you. Is Hood moving up? Right, we're down, but we are moving up. 21.38 is my target today to flip those 15 shares. So anything above 21.38 would be great. Of course, Robinhood could do well today on the back of Dogecoin. I want to put a huge shout out, a huge thanks. Now everyone is here. I want to thank Muzanella for bringing this news this morning. As I say, I was in the bathroom having a shave and cleaning my teeth, and Muzanella broke the news to me. I didn't know. I just woken up, and could be very interesting actually, because if I share with you my, we'll see how popular this is. Look, this is my analytics, right? And I posted just before this show a video. Look, I posted just before the show started. I posted an actual video, not a live video, an actual video itself. And as you see, look, it just got posted a few minutes ago, right? The 18 is the live feed, and we've had 8 views already in minute. I literally just posted it like 10 minutes ago. All right, so it'd be interesting to see how many people watch that. That is how many people are interested in Doge this morning. So we'll see what happens. Could be very, very interesting to see how that trends up this morning. So we could be giving I could be giving a big shout out to my mate Muzanella if this is one of my biggest videos. Who knows? Right, Robinhood is dropping. We don't expect to see this for very long. Dogecoin is a big part of Robinhood. Robinhood should go up if Dogecoin goes up. I think, this is my prediction, I think right now we are preparing for another liftoff. All right, we had some yesterday and then it dropped back again. I think on the news of Dogecoin, I know it's a meme stock and I'm not invested in it. I'm not putting the stock down at all. An investment is an investment, however you see it. But what I'm saying right now is Dogecoin being accepted by Tesla is a big move for Doge, crypto, and it's a big move for Robinhood. So this should bounce up. So the fact we're getting everything again selling off, this is all to do with COVID, the Fed, inflation, and so on and so forth. Right, that's what's going on right now. Everything's selling off. I think, because I know we're expecting a rebound coming to the end of December. So I reckon now, if you've got money, just like Muzanella did just there, buy in these dips this morning, we're going to get a big lift off. I might be wrong, of course. I'm not a professional financial advisor. I don't give financial advice. I just share my opinion. All right. So let's see what happens this morning. This could be a big lift off. And let's see what happens now. It's interesting to see, actually. This live show now has had 21 views. And that video I just put out, the individual video, is 10 views already. It's interesting to see what happens, as it takes about an hour for YouTube to set up the video correctly, analytics-wise, and so on and so forth. But here we go. Let's watch what happens. Robinhood. We're just right 15 minutes now before the bell goes, and we'll be ready to rock and roll. Let's have a look. Hi, Doctor. Welcome. Dang, no money to buy. No, I know. Afternoon, Believer Bubble from the UK. Lovely to have you here. Believer Bubble is a new member to the show. I want him to get a video set up on his YouTube channel so we can promote him. I'd love to see his bubbles and stuff like that. He would send in a great video. We could have a little glimpse of it. Hi, Bill, Queenie, and Bubble. There we go. Good morning, Patricia. Right, we've got 13 likes now. Everybody smash the like button. If you're watching right now, I want to get 20 likes before the bell goes. 20 likes before the bell goes. Let's see if we can do it. We're up to 13 likes now, 17 watching. We could do it. We got breaking news here. Dogecoin this morning. We're watching it. We're also watching it here on the app as well. So let's keep a close eye on Doge this morning. What it does. Will it affect the Hood price? I believe it will. I think we're just waiting. 15 likes now, but we're starting to move. Okay. Let's get ready for it. Let's have a look. This is the live position. In the last hour, Doge has dropped nearly 5%. So, like I said, I'm not sure I would buy in right now at all. I wouldn't buy in now that the good news has happened. Let's see what happens to it this morning. Let's go back to the main screen. Right. We're up to 17 likes now. Fantastic. 308. Let's bring in the rest of the party here. Me too, no money. Hi, Balasair. Queenie, story of my life. I'm recording a video next week. Good. Look forward to that. Hi, all traders from Italy. Right. Let's go back to the main portfolio with just 12 minutes to go now. I'm still down. Everything's bleeding everywhere. It was low at 0.15 in the night. Yes. Right, we got 20 likes now. Sorry, got 20 watching. 3 more likes, and we bring in the family. Smash the like button, guys, and we'll bring in the family. Okay, let's go over to it again. Looking at Dogecoin right there now. Look, it's dropped back. We're not seeing anything there right now. The lift off was when the news came out, so be wary. Have how you invest in that. We've got enough bleeds. We don't need any more, do we? To be honest. Okay. Here we go. Right. Tesla is now down 2.88 and it is starting to trend up. Rivian is down 3.11. Virgin Galactic is down 2.83. Gores Guggenheim is down. Everything is down at the moment before the market opens. Robinhood down but trending upwards now. Let's see what happens. Ethereum is also up but trending back. Everything this morning at the moment is trending backwards. Let's see what happens. Bitcoin is also now up but trending down at the moment. Here's the breaking news that we brought you this morning, courtesy of Muzanella. Huge shout out to Muzanella who brought this to us. I wasn't aware of it. I've just woken up. And here is another... Sorry, hang on a minute. I changed the wrong screen. Let's bring in this one here. Tesla is now accepting only for merchandise. Let's get that absolutely clear. You can't buy a car with Dogecoin, right? That isn't happening. All right, just so you're fully aware of that. Okay, we got a big chat. There's a big chat coming in from Balasair. Let me bring it in to you. Okay, Balasair says... Let me click on it. Let's bring it in. Balasair says, ongoing investigation notice. The Shah law firm encourages investors in Lucid. Hang on. Ongoing investigation. The Shah law firm encourages investors in Lucid Group with losses of $100,000 to contact the firm. What's that? It's asking investors to contact Lucid. Is that right? Is that what you're saying? Encourages investors in Lucid with losses of $100,000 to contact the firm. Okay. It's interesting. Thank you for bringing that to us, Balasair. Let's have a look at Lucid this morning. Let's see what it's doing. Lucid is down nearly 3%, but so is everything. Okay. Thank you very much for that. It has been bloody, you ain't kidding. No way, no wonder the price went up. That's right. Shiba Inu next. Well, we'll keep an eye on Shiba Inu as well. Yeah, we will. We'll keep an eye on that as well. Right, what's happening now? Right, we got 2 more likes and we can bring in the family. If everyone can... I need 20 likes before the bell goes in just 8 minutes' time. I need 2 more likes in the next 8 minutes. That would be an absolute brilliant one. And Nico is here. I'm back. Welcome, Nico. Let's bring him into the party. Shiba did move up earlier. Let's have a look at Shiba Inu. It's on my COINBASE account. Let's bring in Shiba Inu as well. Let's see what that did. I wouldn't be surprised if it moved, but let's have a look. Right, yep. No, Shiba Inu is down right now, 2.34. Let me share with you. That's Shiba Inu. That's where it's valued right now. Okay, so Shiba Inu is also down right now. We'll keep an eye on it for you. All right, back to Dogecoin. You can see Dogecoin is still edging back. Let me bring it in again. Here we go. There we go. Dogecoin is still edging back. We had a pump and now we're losing it. So I mean, it's up to you, but I wouldn't be investing in Doge right now. I think the moment was before this morning. 19 likes, one more like in the next 7 minutes, and that would be fantastic. To open the show with 20 likes would be great. Right, how's everyone doing? Could everyone welcome Nico from Slovenia, joined us live yesterday for the very first time. So this is a new member. So Nico, put your city and country, and you'll be part of the family now. Everybody will do the same. Welcome you in. I'm from Cornwall in the UK, but I'm actually based here in my studio, Texas, the United States of America. Right, now then, let's have a quick look. So, are we seeing anything coming up? Still dropping back. Everything is dropping back. In the next 7 minutes, I'm hoping, and I do believe, we will get some turn up. I do believe that will happen today. Because to see these losses like this again, welcome Nika from Fareham in the UK. Lovely stuff. Thanks, guys, for doing that. Absolutely brilliant. Right, things are starting to turn up. Just slightly. Looks like we're bottoming out now. Robinhood showing some support there at 1920. Oh, is it going to break it again? Let's have a look. Ethereum still dropping back. I mean, everything's bleeding right now. I was expecting to see with Dogecoin this morning a little bit of a lift off in Hood. I think it's probably before the breaking out, before the bell goes. Could well be the case. 20 likes, fantastic. That means we can bring in the family. Here we go. Nice one. We got a new family this morning. Let's bring them in. There we go. There's the family. It's getting bigger and bigger, and the crowd goes wild. All right, lovely stuff. All right, good stuff. Let's go back to the main portfolio, and we are starting to level, possibly. The bleeding is slowing. Let's see what happens. Who knows? We're waiting now. We've just got 5 minutes to go. 5 minutes to go. And Elon Musk, Man of the Year. I heard that as well. Man of the Year. Elon Musk, Times Magazine. Tuesday is always green. Is it? Nico said, I'm from a place called Maribor from Slovenia. Wonderful stuff. All right, we got a big chat. Let's bring in the big chat. So here it is. This is from Balasir, and let's have a look. Bring it in. And the FEC is investigating if Lucid committed fraud by being deceptive about their production timeline. But the FEC investigates everyone. I agree, they do. It's why I didn't sell or do anything. It doesn't bother me at all. I mean, I can't see them being that bloody stupid, to be perfectly honest. And, you know, they're a business. They're promoting themselves, right? Can I ask the question, guys? We are now starting to broadcast in 4K at a much higher resolution. If you go into your video right now and look at the little cog, see the little cog? You can choose 1440, which is 4K. You can choose that, and if you choose that, do you notice a difference? Are you seeing more detail in the screen? You should do. If you've got good internet and you're able to do that, you can do that now. WEBULL says, I think you should do an advert when you get the family in. Yeah, no, I'm still judging. I haven't had much feedback actually from people. I asked you about how often we should run commercials. Remember, I always put in skippable commercials. I would never put in a commercial when we're about to, ring the bell or at a certain moment or whatever, or breaking news is coming out. I wouldn't do that. But I want everyone's opinion. So far, I had a couple of... I had one from Dave, and he said... Dave Mottram said, do a commercial every 3 hours, but you put LOL at the end. So I appreciate that. Somebody else said, every half an hour, 45 minutes. I want to go every minute. I want to go every single minute. but I'm thinking that might not be the way to do it. Nico always wanted to go to Texas. Hope it's going to happen one day. There you go. Nico stay in the big cities. Jep saw some more grey hair. Saw some more grey hair. There's no hair left on my head. Did you notice I cut my hair yesterday? Got shorter hair again. Every 3 weeks I shave a little bit, tidy it up. Do an ad right now. Do an ad right now. Just before the bell goes. All right. Yeah, because we got 2 minutes, right? We'll do a quick ad now, okay? We're just getting ready, guys, for the bell to go. So that kind of makes sense, right? Okay, here we go, guys. I'll be right back in just 10 seconds from now. You can skip the ad, all right? They're just going to hear from my sponsors. Here we go. There we go. Hopefully you saw that. I don't know if you did. All right, you can skip that. We're right back here again. And there we go. It's time for the commercial before the bill. Before the bell, right. All right, skip the ad. There you go. That work for everybody? No ad. Based on the cruise ship activities and classroom times, only 45 minutes. Every 45 minutes is good. Based on cruise ship activities and classroom times, every 45 minutes is good. What's that? What do you mean? What's all that mean? I ain't got a clue what that means. All right, are you ready? Okay, let's get ready, guys. We are coming up for the bell now. "30 seconds before the bell goes. Okay, here we go. 15. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Here we go. We're watching Robinhood to see what happens here this morning. Do we get a lift off? Okay. Let's see what happens. Yeah, not all of you might see the advert, the commercial, because you may have just seen a commercial on YouTube recently, and it works out. You know, it doesn't show everybody. Everyone gets different commercials depending on your demographic, who you are, where you are, so on and so forth. But one did run because I saw it on my device. A forced commercial that I push through will not show on your mobile or your iPad. They come through. They come through on a computer, but they will come through later. All right, Robinhood. Okay, it's still dropping down. Let's have a look at everything right now. So look at that. Suddenly everything's dropping again. Look at that. We're going down again. Right, Tesla going down again. Rivian is going down as well. Wow, we're not getting a recovery this morning. This is going to be a hard time for everybody. If you've not got leverage, though, if you've not borrowed money on it, you just got to sit this out. It's all you can do. You can't sell now. You believe in the stock. I mean, you've just got to... Wow, we're down 4% now. Let's have a look at Dogecoin. Let's see what it's doing. It's falling as well. It's falling as well. There we go. Dogecoin is falling as well. On the live, it's down... Look at that, 5% in the last hour. Somebody stopped the... Oh, my God, I may not look at the markets until January. Based on... I can't work out what you meant there. Based on cruise ship... What's cruise ship activities and classroom times? I don't understand what that means. What's cruise ships and classrooms got... I'm sorry, I'm dumb, mate. I don't understand what that means. Wow, it's a red... Yes. Yeah. Oh, hang on. Bouncing up. What's bouncing up? Look at that. All of a sudden. Now, what's going up? Okay, there we go. Here it comes. Here it comes, guys. Had faith. You didn't sell out, right? Hopefully you didn't sell out. Good morning, my man. Robert Durant is here. Breaking news this morning. There we go. There we go, guys. It came. You were all worried. I didn't sell. I didn't do anything. Just keep calm. This is overselling now. We are oversold everything. Robinhood hasn't yet turned up. Let's look at Dogecoin. Breaking news this morning, of course. Dogecoin is now accepted by Elon Musk, Tesla. And there we go. Smash the like button. You've just come on in. We're watching it right now. Subscribe and ring the bell. Let's go over to the app as well and look at Dogecoin. You can see the position right now. What's happening this morning? Look, we're up 20%, but we were up 27. Oh, it's just gone up to 21. Are we going to get a second lift off today? Let's see what happens. It is lifting off again. How is that affecting anything else? Yep, Bitcoin is moving as well, and Ethereum. Yep, everything's lifting up now. There we go. We're getting a recovery now. NU is down 5%. There we go. I have a private jet dreams last night. I didn't sell. I haven't sold anything. I'm just sitting all this out. A wise man who worked the floor of the NASDAQ said to me, Martin, you're doing it right. Stand at the back of the pit. All the young guys are in the pit at the bottom, shouting and screaming at the screens. All the guys at the back, the managers and all those people, just calm and waiting for the stock to come to them. Don't remember, it's easy to make money on the stock market. It's difficult to keep your money. That's the difficult thing. So just keep calm, let it all come to you. Tesla had a pump but dropped back again. Rivian is still lifting off. SPCE is pushing up. Doing well now, pushing up quite a bit as well. There we go. GGPI as well, lifting, well, it was. Lucid now falling again. Hood falling again. Buying the dips. If only I could buy the dips. If only I could buy the dips. Unfortunately, I'm not in a position to do so. So, you know, it is what it is. I hate that phrase, but it's so true. It is what it is. You can't do much about it. Robinhood is bleeding this morning. We were expecting to see Robinhood do well today because of Dogecoin. But again, you know my feelings on these investments. Bitcoin is now lifting up. This is the news we were brought this morning, courtesy of one of our members of the family, one of our researchers. I'm going to give you an official title, researchers. If you send me information as I'm getting out of bed and I'm cleaning my teeth and I'm getting ready for the day, you are a researcher. You are sending in valuable information. And this is huge information today, by the way. We shall see how it plays out for this show today. But thank you very much for bringing it to us. Absolutely fantastic. Dogecoin is now accepted by Elon Musk and Tesla. Right. Bitcoin started to pump up and it's just dropping back a bit. Dogecoin is now trying to lift up again. Ethereum is just dropping back a bit. Hood, right, come on, Hood. When do you hit the bottom? When do you hit the bottom? I don't even want to say how much money I've lost in this right now. Lucid now is pushing up. SPCE is having a very good day. It's my largest stock, my biggest part of my portfolio. Yeah, don't borrow ballast there. Don't use leverage. I know people do, and people made money on it. But people have gone to the casino and put all their money. They've mortgaged their house and put all of it on red, and they've won and gone. There you go. See, it was good. You were lucky. You were lucky. You could have been wiped out and ended up on the streets. So, did you hear, was it yesterday? Was it yesterday or the day before? No, yesterday, wasn't it? Monday yesterday. Yesterday, we had a guy come in from, where was he from? Was he from, he was from India. He was from India, and he 10 times leveraged, and he got liquidated. He lost all his money. portfolio gone. And he's 19 years old, and he said, my parents are going to kill me. Now, we don't know how real that is, but you know, some people do get very upset about those things. Right, here we go. That's better. The past hour, I'm up. I've not seen green. I forgot what green looked like. I thought I was going like, you know, losing my eyesight. Look at that. In the last hour, I'm up 0.25%. Thank God for that. Right, now we've got the hour sorted. Let's go to the day. Right, let's go to the day. I'm down 0.78. Let's go up for the day. Come on, let's get in. India, thank you very much indeed for sharing that with us today. Believer Bubble, thanks for reminding me. I'm back in the States now, so I can use Robinhood. Ah, great. So, can I give you the link for Robinhood so you can get the free stock? Here you go. Baby Yodo. Let me give you the link right now in the chat. There you go. If you set that up, you will get a free stock on me. And also, for everybody who wants the All Links button, if you click the All Links button, there are all the offers, all the giveaways that we have, and we have a lot right now. We have an amazing one from WEBULL. WEBULL are giving 5 free stocks away, and we know that some people have had Apple stocks, because we gave one away on the show. But we also know somebody had, because someone told me yesterday, a Tesla stock. So we're talking serious here. Use my link there and get yourself those 5 free stocks. Absolutely amazing offer that I'm bringing you there this morning. To pay to get money like put the money in my... Yeah, I do have to pay to get the money like put the money in my account. What do you mean by that? It doesn't cost any money to transfer money into Robinhood, if that's what you mean. Right. Look, this is better. This is better now. There we go. Up 30.35 on the hour. Morning all, Julius Caesar's here. We're bringing you breaking news this morning, Julius Caesar. The breaking news this morning, of course, is the fact that Dogecoin is now accepted by by Elon Musk, which is very, very good news, of course. This was brought to us this morning by Muzanello, who sent it in. So thank you very much. I mean to have to fund my account. Oh, I see. Yeah, you have to fund the account, but you don't have to spend it. You don't have to invest it. Just put money in. You can draw it back out again. No worries at all. Not an issue at all. Right. Tesla's now lifting up. Rivian is now doing well. I bet Space is doing well. There we go. SPCE. Yodic Gak. Welcome, Yodic Gak. I do not understand. Have you noticed, guys, we're getting people come in. It must be bots. We're getting people come in that have these two-word names, always a bit strange, and then they always put like a word, a dot, and another word that doesn't make sense. I'm sure we're getting bots every day coming into the channel now. Don't know why that is. I guess it's a mark of success. But if I ask Yodi to come back and say hello, they never will. It's really, really weird. I don't know how that works, what the point of that is, what they get out of it. Just be wary, guys, all right? Unless a referral comes from me or one of my moderators, you drunk. There you go, Yodi Gak. It's not a bot because it can speak. I'm not drunk. No, I'm not. I'm certainly not. I'm investing here with my real money, so I certainly hope not. Welcome to the show. Apologies if I said you were a robot, but we get robots just like you every day. But anyway, why would you say I'm drunk? But anyway. Maybe it's a drunk robot. I don't know. Anyway, Rivian's doing well. Virgin Galactic is now doing... This is good. This is good. GGPI moving up. Lucid is doing good. What about Hood? There we go. Now then, is Robinhood going to start from here? Forget what we've been through. Forget what's gone on. Are we going to go up from here? We shall see. We shall see where we go from here. I'm hoping. I'm wishful. I'm positive. Let's have a look at all the coins. Ethereum is now lifting up. Dogecoin is now lifting up again. Right? It's not where it was at its peak this morning. But of course, America is now waking up on this news. So Americans who have Dogecoin may now be reacting, of course. At the end of the day, they're asleep. They wake up, they see the news. They come on the day trader. They learn about all this stuff. Bitcoin, here we go. Bitcoin is now moving as well. This is the breaking news we're bringing you this morning. And here is Dogecoin now accepted by Tesla. So there's a reasonable amount of positivity now. Right, can we keep this going? Can we keep this going? It's dropping back a bit. It's a good start, but it's weak. We're down 1%. Can we get up now? Yes, I heard. Interesting accepting Doge for merchandise, not cars, though. Yeah, I know. Exactly. Just the merchandise. Yeah, I was discussing it this morning. I can't believe that a meme coin can be used to be accepted by the biggest companies in the world, but not Dogecoin or Ethereum. It's quite amazing. It's the power of Elon Musk is as an influencer is quite incredible. But nevertheless, we will see how this all pans out during the morning. We'll see how it all goes. We will seem to be US only. I can't change my selected country. You could use a VPN. You could use a VPN, but you'd need someone in America to verify your account, probably, because you'd need probably a social number or a bank account or whatever. So that might be difficult for you. Believe a bubble. Hood is down 4.2% today. Let's have a look. Let's go back to Hood. Breaking news, and Hood is dropping again. I can't believe this. Hey, Martyn Redding looking good for our targets on Tesla to buy in. Is Martyn Redding here? I've not seen Martyn Redding coming in. Looking good for targets on Tesla to buy in. Yeah, okay, I'll leave that one then. Yeah, that's a difficult one. You can do, didn't you do eTORO? I think you did eTORO. I've not received any money from them, so I can't pay you any money, but you'll get benefits. But I can't give you the $10 or anyone. I can't give anyone any money until I get the money. That's the way it works. And certain accounts, certain restrictions, I can't control all of that. But if I get that $40 they give me, I will certainly do it. What you can do, though, did you do COINBASE? This is very, very good. You get $10 of Bitcoin, and so there's your link right there. Look, there's the link there for COINBASE. Did you do that one? And crypto.com as well. There's some good offers there. I mean, I have all these brokerages, and I have money in all of them. Why not? It's just free money, right? Right now, come on. Robinhood keeps hitting a stop, and you think, okay, low 900s, but I heard this morning some have a buy target of 850. Yeah, but don't get greedy, because obviously if everyone's setting at 850, the moment it gets near there, it will start popping up. See, I don't do that. If I know that everyone's waiting for 850, I'll buy it at 900, because I'll go, well, Tesla could be $4,000 in 10 years' time, so who cares if I lose out $5? Sorry, $50. I don't care. Right. It's all about, I think, not being too greedy. Right. Let's have a look. We are moving again. We are improving. Definitely. What is driving it up now? Tesla's now recovering. Rivian is now moving up. Virgin Galactic it's just dropped back a bit. Gord's Guggenheim moving up. Lucid back down again. I mean, it's so difficult right now. I stage my buying. That's fair enough. I don't set any limit orders. I just watch it live and feel it out and just go with my gut on it. That's how I do it. All right, we got a big chat. We got a big chat from WEBULL, so let me bring that in. I sent you a link to your phone. Can you put it on the screen so we can have a moment of green? Yes, I certainly will. Let me just bring in the big chat first of all from WEBULL. Here we go. This is if it comes in from you, it's all good. If it comes in from you, it's all good. If not, I'm not worried. I'm just having fun with this. Currently, I'm all in the red, but hoping to go green today. Yeah, aren't we all, mate? Aren't we all? Seriously, yes, indeed. Right. I just got something sent in. from Balasare, so I'm just going to go and check it now. Let me have a quick look. Why can't I get that off the screen? Sometimes I notice messages get stuck. There we go. Okay, let me have a look. I was just sent in a message here via Balasare. Let's have a look. Okay. All right. I'll give you that's funny. Okay. Balasare sent me a link and I clicked on it. And what did I get? I got that. All right. Everybody good? Does everybody feel better? This is courtesy of Balasare. I can't believe we just did that. I went to all the trouble to find your link, thinking, how can I get the link on my phone? People normally send links before the show for the show. But anyway, he sent me that. I'll give you that one. That's a bit of fun. Thanks for that. Oh God. I don't know. Thank you very much. Let's go back to to normal trading now. Dogecoin is starting to lift off a bit more. Should I go back to the app? We'll see. It's now recovering a bit. I think this is the US is waking up. People are realizing there's a movement here in Dogecoin. Maybe buying in now, perhaps. Very funny. Oh, look. We had a recovery for a few moments. Bartos is here. Good morning, Bartos. They had to start with something. They have to start with something. Tesla. Good morning, Bartos. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I got some questions this morning. Let me just bring it in. Some of you were asking the questions this morning over on the Discord group. I was asked a question, so I'm going to go in and see if anyone has any information to share on this. Just bear with me a second as I bring it in, as we watch any changes to Hood this morning. Starting to move up. Okay, so where is it? Let me go into it right now. Ask the team. So yes. Bushos Mambo. Is that Bartos? Bushos Mambo asked the question. Vertical aerospace. Can we review it live? Bushos Mambo. Are you in the show right now? If you oh, there we go. Vertical. Yes, it is you. I thought it was. There we go. As I was talking to you, I was bringing it up. This is what came in this morning via Discord, and he wanted to know all about this one. Kathy Woods, ARK Invest Post Fund purchases for Monday. Hood and other stocks. She's bought some Hood, has she? Well, normally, as you say, Musanella, when she buys Hood, the bloody price goes down. So I don't know if we should even mention it. But yeah, it's got to be good, right? Yeah, that's me. I thought so. Okay, vertical aerospace. Does anybody have any information on that? It's being asked by Bartos, one of our team. I will go into the portfolio and my main portfolio and see if I can find it. Vertical aerospace. It doesn't look like it's on my... What's the ticker? Because if it comes up, it's Helmet Aerospace. Helmet Aerospace. Is it that one? HWM? Because I don't seem to have it on my... on Robinhood. Let's see if any of my researchers can get some information while we wait to bring that into you. If we can discuss it on the show. Right, let's have a look. Is Hood going to lift off? Right. 2138. Don't think it's listed yet. Okay. Okay. Fair enough. Right, we'll do some research during the show. Maybe someone could send me a link in and have a look at it. But Bartos asked something he's interested in, vertical aerospace. Let's have a little look. right now, off the bat, I would tell you, because I have so much invested in another aerospace company, Virgin Galactic, I wouldn't be adding to that industry in my portfolio because it would be out of balance. It doesn't matter how good it is, I wouldn't have, until I've made profits from Virgin Galactic, I wouldn't add another aerospace company just to keep, otherwise the balance of my portfolio would be a bit out. And I think it's very, very important to keep, keep the balance right. So, but anyway, I don't know anything about it yet. If we get information, we'll share it. Martyn, it's not listed. Meant to go public end of this year. Okay, we'll certainly research it for you. At the moment, we're keeping an eye on Lucas is dropping back on this news we talked about. I think it will return when we get the resolution to this issue. Dogecoin is now dropped back. It made some money this morning and now dropping back. Virgin Hyperlink looks terrific. Yes. That won't affect, of course, Virgin Galactic. Completely separate. Just be aware of that. They are different. They're not the same. All right. We're just watching now if Dogecoin recovers. We're hoping, and of course, Hood, with the knowledge that it doesn't seem to matter, does it? We get good news, and it doesn't seem to do anything for the stock. The stock just does what it does, doesn't improve. It just sits there, and it's doing it again. You know, Kathy Wood buying in Hood this morning should have been great. Yes, it should. There's just no, I mean, to me, this just tells me that we have sell-offs everywhere, and it's not any particular stock. It's just the markets in general, with the fear, with the COVID, with the variant, with the Fed, the interest rate, not interest rate, sorry, the inflation. We're just at a time now, and of course you have to dip down to rise back up again. It's all part of it, and I think we're just gonna have to wait a little while. But I still believe that the recovery is coming in December. You know, the 14th of December today, we got a way to go. Can't invest in Hyperlink unless you have an income of, oh wow. Can't invest in Hyperlink unless you have had an income of 250,000 plus for 2 years. Well, that counts me out then. What about you, Damien? Have you had $250,000 income for the last 2 years? Is that the sort of money you can earn by blowing bubbles? I certainly can't by doing anything. So let's knock that on the head. But anyway. Oh, hang on a minute. We got a big chat, big question. Okay, here we go. This will be interesting. Relating to my Disney question yesterday, I did some research and found out the streaming service and their parks and attractions are what influences the share price. Yes, that makes perfect sense. Yes, it does. Not a single film. But, you know, everything has a catalyst, and you never know what it is. Sometimes it can be a film because it raises attention to the stock. That's another thing, you see. People talk about that a lot. They'll talk about, like, with, it can happen. Hang on a minute. I've got that thing happening again with Damien's, with Believer Bubble's comments. They sometimes get stuck. I wonder why that is. There we go. I've got rid of it. There we go. It's gone now. There you go, look. It's got stuck again. What's going on with your comments? How come you're able to do that? No one else can do that. You've got some special way of inserting your comments into my stream that stay there. Dwang fam, fake Green Day. Fake Green Day, indeed it is. 45 years in the red, I will never have it. No. Indeed. Disney are doing some amazing work with robotics. That is true. Oh, sourdough beer face. Why is Bitcoin down? Why is Bitcoin down? For the same reason I said Bitcoin was the best. Bitcoin is the best in my opinion. It's why it's the second biggest part of my portfolio. Why is it down? Well, because everything is down. Everyone is overselling. Why Bitcoin is down and other high risk stocks are down? Because it is a high risk, right? Any high risk is down during a time of fear. We're talking about the COVID variant. We're talking about a correction. We're talking about inflation. All of these things put fear in the market. So people will sell their risky stocks and move into more secure stocks. And I can demonstrate that perfectly by sharing with you this one here. And of course, I'm talking about Apple. Apple is not as risky, of course, as other stocks are. So people have invested in Apple. That's what's happened. So look at Apple right now. Let me show you. There we go. See? And if we go through my entire portfolio, everything is down, not because the companies are bad and all the rest of it, but they are higher risk, so people have moved out of one and into another. Apple is great. It's at the moment behaving like a growth stock. I will tell you that. I'm glad I've got 9 shares of Apple now, because I will get the dividend payout plus this increasing value. It's growing at the moment like a growth stock. It's phenomenal. There's also rumor of the Apple car. There's all sorts of other things. So there you go. Thank you, Muzanella. We sourdough face. We prefer not to have blue words on the show, please. There are young people who watch the show, and we try to keep it clean. I do appreciate Muzanella for doing his job there. Please come back, sourdough beer face, and express yourself, but just refrain from the language. That'll be great. Okay, so there you go. That's why Bitcoin is down. There's no particular reason. It's fear. It's Bitcoin is now recovering. No, let's say that. Look, let's say that on the last hour we're up 0.3. Had some spikes here. Look at these spikes, big moments here. Ethereum is now also rising. They tend to trade together. Dogecoin is now moving up again. What about Hood? Right. Has Hood hit a bottom? How many times am I going to have to say it? Let's look on the Dogecoin and for the app. Look, there you go. You can see it clearly there. What's happening now is we are getting a little rise. I put that down to the fact that America's woken up now to the news, and people in the US who have Dogecoin are thinking, oh, I think I'll buy into some Doge. I'll buy in. But remember, I don't think you should buy in when it's lifted. It's lifted off. It's had a good 27% this morning. Would have been great to have sold by now. Buying right now, I don't know. It had that moment. Balasir, I'm feeling it today. Could be wrong. As in a green day. Yeah, I know. I can only imagine. It's why I always say to everybody, when you invest on the stock market, I will never borrow money to do it. And the more I see this, the more I believe that's the right strategy. What is the impossible IPO? What is the impossible IPO? Impossible? What do you mean? Is it called impossible? I don't see it on Robinhood. Perhaps someone could answer that question. I don't know. What's the impossible IPO? I don't know. Now Tesla is climbing. Now we are getting some green shoots, folks. Let's look at it. We are getting some green shoots. Look, We are up now, 0.5% on the hour. Green. You're staying positive. Okay. Yeah, I am. Totally. I just think it's an opportunity to make money. I wish I could buy the dips, but then tomorrow we could get another one. It just keeps on coming. I mean, how low do you want to go? The Queen of Self-Braiding's asking the same question. I don't know. Maybe he's a doctor, right? Sometimes it's hard to understand what they're saying. They have a special language. Come on, something. Some green shoots. Come on. Oh dear, oh dear. I wonder how close I am to my zero position. Yeah, still got 5.5% to go from where I recorrected this portfolio. I'm always positive, but I like green days. Yeah, so do I. It's much more fun. You can tell like the mood is down. Everybody's frustrated. Can you give us more info on the impossible IPO? Balasair. I don't know what that means. What's the impossible IPO? Anyway, I'm sure it will resolve itself in a moment. Right. Okay. What we're going to do now is we're a couple of minutes away because today was we've delayed today the day trader of the day because we were watching this whole time to see if we'd get some bounces back, but it hasn't come. So I'm just going to take a very, very quick break, a sip of my tea, and when we come back in just 10 seconds from now, we will do the day trader of the day. So don't forget, you can skip the commercial. I'll be back with you in just 10 seconds from now. And there we go. I'm back with you once again. Fantastic. All right. So let's have a quick look and let's see what's what. We're now going to find out who the trader of the day is. Who is the trader of the day? Okay, I'll keep an eye on it. Oh, Balasair, there we go. Balasair's give us a big chat. Okay, so let me bring up the big chat. Here we go. Balasair says, Impossible Foods is set on going public. It won't be before the end of the year, and it may not be until the tail end of the recent food IPO boom. But founder and CEO Pat Brown told me candidly. What, told you personally? You know the CEO, do you? That's interesting. Tell me all about it. Very interesting. There we go. Now we know what the impossible IPO is. It's Impossible Foods. That was a good moment. That wasn't 10 seconds. I just had your logo flash up for about 2 seconds. Well, sometimes it's quicker. All right? I ran out of chat. Oh, you ran out of chat. Okay. Or insider trading. Woo, woo, woo. Insider trading. Careful, careful, careful. Don't say that on the channel. We'll get ourselves in trouble. Okay, here we go. So, right, it's now time to go to your main portfolio. Look on your day. Don't post until I post, until I start the clock. Okay, I am down. So let me put in here. Oh dear God, down 1.14 every day. Down 1.14. Okay, so I'm going to post that now. Oh, down 1.14. There we go. So I'm going to post that now. Okay, so are you ready to start posting? Get ready to start posting. And I don't know the CEO. LOL. I got that from an article. Oh, okay. He just copied it from an article of somebody who actually spoke to the CEO. I find that funny. I find that funny. But very, very good. I like it. All right. Okay. So let's bring up the timer. Let's give you 1 minute on the clock. And post your scores now. Beyond Meat up 6.98 after doing a deal with McDonald's. Wow, fantastic. That's good news. Let me share that with everybody. I'm down 1.14. Mark Corn is up 2%. Get in. That's the winning score so far. Sean is down 1.18. Sorry, down 1.8. Winning score is 2.04. I am, Dave Mottram is down. I am down. Queen of Self-Braiding. Okay, there we go. So everyone's down. I mean, yeah, Musanella doesn't even want to post what he's down, and I totally understand why. Believer Bubble is down 1.26. Do I beat anyone then? Where was I? I was down 1.14. Yeah. Oh, I'm okay with that. I beat most of you. But the winner, without a shadow of a doubt, very, very, very well done, was waiting for Bill to say he was up 20%. Oh, God, that's so true. Oh. Live stretch on the show. There you go. Oh, that's better. Feel better now. Maybe the stocks will go green now. Anyway, let's give a huge... I mean, seriously, guys, that's very, very well done. Very, very well done. So there we go. Maybe he has one stock. He has Dogecoin. That's it. So... anyway, let's give him a huge round of applause. Absolutely fantastic. Congratulations to you. Well done, well done, well done. And thank you very much for sharing your honest trades with us. We appreciate that very much. And there you go. Thumbs up to you. Well done. Let's bring in just a bit of luck, moving stuff about. No, it's not luck at all. Nothing to do with it. Nothing to do with it. It's you had information and you used it and you did the right thing. I think that was funny, that comment there. I was waiting for Bill to say he was up 20%. I do like that one. I think that's good. I'm not sure which numbers I'm meant to be using for this, as I have two. Whichever is your largest account, whichever is your main brokerage. All right? If you have $1,000 in one and $1 in the other, it's the $1,000 one because that's got more exposure. It's more average. It's more correct. You know, if you've got one stock in one share, in one, you know, and all you've got is Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's up 30% today. I mean, that's not a balanced portfolio. That's what we need. I am up 1.10, 1.01. I apologize. Very, very well done as well. That doesn't quite beat Mark though. 2%. Congratulations, Mark. I am now going green. Now I got a few. Thanks, everyone. Absolutely. Congratulations to you. Well done indeed. All right. If you're all joining for the first time, any of you new here today, and you want all my links for all the different things that we give away, including the podcast and the Discord group, all of that stuff, here it is on the all links button. You know that person that came in, that was a robot who says, "Am I drunk?" See, they've gone away again. Very peculiar. Everyone that is up, congratulations. And everyone is, I'm going to add to that, everyone is down, commiserations, and our love and support goes out to you because you need it. All right, but I don't feel bad at all. Dogecoin is continuing to fall. Dogecoin, it wasn't a great day for Dogecoin, really, was it? I mean, what did you do? Did anybody sell at the top there? Did they sell at the top and try to take advantage of that? I don't know. I'm the winner in down percentage. We know why. We know why. We're with you, Musanella. But you'll come back, I'm sure. Just have to wait right now. I'll try and put a screenshot on the Discord group. Nice one. Can we see the green screen again? Why, does it make you feel better? Bloody hell. Yeah, it's a tough old day, isn't it? It's tough when it's like this, but you're absolutely right. I think it would be. I think it'd be good. Does everyone feel better? Does everyone feel better? It's nice and bright, isn't it? No selling Dogecoin now. Yeah. Yeah. I would. Yeah. I mean, it didn't do much, did it? It popped up 27% and now it's falling back. So I think the right thing to do is sell it. But you know, that's up to you. Yeah, that's it. You feel better now. All right, Rivian is now moving up. This is good. SPCE's having a good day. SPCE's having a good day. There we go. Big rise today there, by the way. If you look down nearly 3%, up. Wow, that's a 4.5%. That's over 4% swing today. Over 4% swing today. There we go. Very, very nice. I buy all these dips, but right now, as you know, I'm locked into Hood 21.38. Can't do nothing until it hits 21.38. Then I would sell those few shares. I'd have a few bucks in my portfolio, in my buying power, and I would trade again. But right now, I'm powerless. I'm just watching it all do its thing. There isn't much I can do about it. It is what it is. Right now, Dogecoin is now falling. Big profits today. I would be selling now. Visa. You want to look at Visa? Okay, let's have a look at Visa today. I might turn. I don't know. Getting close. Just 0.5% down now. Will I be green today? Who knows? Let's look at Visa. Visa, MasterCard, PayPal. They're up today 1%. Visa is up today 2.5% this week. It's down on the month though, but down in the last 3 months. So we're getting some positive signs there for Visa. Oh, I'd say it's a good time to buy Visa. Looking at that, steady growth like over 5 years. It takes some dips. I would say Visa's a good investment. I would say, looking at that, we're in a dip right now. It was better on December the 1st, but that's okay. December the 1st was the optimum time, but it gives a dividend as well, 0.63. So I would say Visa. Yeah, December the 1st would have been the best optimum time, but it's only grown. Yeah, I'd say it's a good. I'd say it's a good time. Visa is a Wall Street favorite. Yeah, I see that. Good morning, Sam Laidler. Good morning, Sam Laidler. We brought breaking news this morning about Dogecoin is now accepted by Tesla to buy merchandise, not to buy cars. The same here. I think now's a good time to buy Visa. And again, if I had any money, I probably would. Sam, let's have a look. Me too. 88 of my Hood shares were bought at 34. Yeah. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. I don't even want to say. I mean, this doesn't even show the full picture. If I look at Robinhood right now, it says I'm down 34%. I'm down like 60%, 70%. I've repurchased it to save the losses and bought again, but actually that's not the true picture. So as I say, I'm down a lot more than that. But did you see the other day, Sam? He did it perfectly. He only made $1 on a trade, but he made $1, and it just shows you that you can make money on Robinhood right now. And he did exactly what I suggested he did. It dropped down. I said, Sam, buy it now. It went up. I think he bought like 10 shares or 20 shares, something like that. I forget how much it was. And he made $1. And I said, sell now. And it literally, as he sold, it started to drop again. So he got that dollar out, he got his money back, and then he bought again when it dipped again, but he was unable to trade again. He'd run out of trades. He was flagged as a day trader, which is a pattern day trader, which is not an issue. I'm a pattern day trader all the time. It's not an issue at all, but you need $25,000 in your Robinhood account, as is most brokerages, to consistently trade. It's there to protect you from people gambling who don't know what they're doing. But if you're perfectly happy with trading 100 times a day, you can, but you do need $25,000 in your portfolio to be able to do that. And he doesn't. But I did suggest that he does have crypto in another account more than 25,000. I suggested he transferred to Robinhood. At least then, if you have the money, you can trade, and then you would have been able to make more money. So having a portfolio under $25,000 restricts you from day trading consistently. And I think day trading is a very, very powerful tool. I swing trade, day trade, long-term invest, all of it. I think it's a combination of all. And right now, I would absolutely, if I was in the position where I would have made money on my last 15 shares of Hood, even if I'd only made $1, I would have absolutely 100% sold them, and then I'd be buying other things right now, and I would have been trading the last 2 days. I would have bought SPC this morning, got a 4% swing, no question. Now, people often say don't sell when you're down, but there's an argument for that. There's an argument for that, and I'll tell you what I mean. Right now, I'm waiting to get Hood to 21.38 to break even. 22.38, I make $15, right? Now, if I sell now, I lose a little bit. I mean, 15 shares at 21.38, so 19, 22. I lose $30. Now, you'd say, don't sell, you're down. You lose $30 on those 15 shares. All right, fair enough. But if I then think I can buy with that money, even though I'm $30 short, something like Virgin this morning at 4% down, and then it climbs up, I make more than my $30 back. I might make 40, so I'm actually $10 up. And then I could buy back in to Hood. See how that works? So when someone says, don't sell when you're down, that's just a headline, right? It's much, much more than that. There are times, and it's why I say I've not lost money, because I call it the cost of business. The cost of business, the cost of trading. If you know that you've lost a bit of money on a trade by selling it, but what you're going to do with it is going to make more money and recoup that loss, that's not a loss. That's a cost of business. It's just lazy and a lack of knowledge of how trading works to just sit and wait because I'm down. If you're down thinking, oh, I'm down, so I won't do anything, that's not the best thing to do. Now, you might go, well, why haven't I done it? I haven't done it because I'm not in the right frame of mind. I want to be calm and relaxed and be very confident that something is about to pop up. And right now, because everything is down, there's no security in the markets. There's no real stability. There's no real sense to anything. And when it's like this, I prefer to sit back and relax and let it just sit there. Now, I could have done that, taken that $30 loss, and made it back on Tesla yesterday and today. No problem at all. But because we are in a very volatile situation, which is great, that's how you make money, but we're all over the place with no consistency to anything, with no real sense to anything, I would rather sit out and wait for more stable times. So sometimes I'll do it and sometimes I won't, but I'm just saying it is worth considering selling when you're down if you can do better with the money that you put it somewhere else. So, There are people all the time. Do you not think someone like Cathie Wood, who invests millions or billions into a stock, just sits there and only ever sells when it's up? No, of course not. She has to sell and move and take a loss to make a bigger profit somewhere else. That's perfectly good. But if you take a loss and then another loss and then another loss and then another loss, eventually you run out of money, and that's no good. But of course, if you're doing that with your own money, not borrowing money, you're not losing leverage, you're not in any danger or any risk, your portfolio is getting smaller and smaller, and of course, the more money you have, the more you invest, the more you make. If you end up with $50, it's very hard to make $1 million. It's going to take you still can, but it's going to take a long, long time, because you've got to double up over a long time. So it can be done, but anyway. Let's have a look. But $dollar average down, but it keeps going down. Yeah. That's right. Dollar averaging, but if it keeps going down, it's very difficult. And also, another way of doing it, this is a bit more risky, but I've done this several times. If I'm down, I have sold everything. I've done it for Virgin and I've done it for Hood, where I literally was down 20, 30%. Sold everything, but with the intention of buying back straight away as I see it drop. And what that does, I eliminate that piece of the drop. Let's say we're at 0, and we drop 1, and then another 1, and then another 1. We're down 3, right? So I'm down 3%. I sell everything at 3. And then we go -4, -5, -6. I buy back in the same amount of shares I had before at -6. I've missed the 3% losses. I wasn't exposed to that. I managed to keep the amount of money I had at -3 and buy back at -6. So there's another way to make money and improve your position by selling everything when you're down and buying again. I mean, you know, the only downside to that is if suddenly it starts to move up, then you're in trouble, because you've now got to buy up more than you were already down, and now you've bought back higher than you were when you went out. So you've got to be careful. But if you start seeing it down and down and down and down quickly, there is, a chance for that. But I've done that. I've absolutely done that several times, and I'm glad I did. That's why I'm heavily invested in Hood. Yeah, that's happened to me as well. If you keep buying dips to lower an average, you can end up getting an overweighted stock. That's what's called overweighted. And that's what's happened to Virgin Galactic for me. At one point it was like 25, 30%, and it would go up to 50% if it started to rise again, because I've been buying more and more of the dips. So what I do is I'm going to sell on the way up, not just to wait until it's $1 million and I'm the richest man on the planet. I'm going to sell on the way up because I want to reduce the amount of the asset in my portfolio, because overweighted. You don't want 50% of your portfolio all in one thing. But that's how it can easily happen. And you hear Cathie Wood, those big hedge funders, all the time talk about overweighted stocks. They have to trim it off a little bit, and that's right. Julius Caesar, Bal and Moo, I'm interested to know what your plan is going forward, timescale and price point for your holdings of Robinhood. Yeah, I'd like to know that as well. Sorry, I'm out trying to get this bloody scooter going. It died in the driveway. Didn't Muzanella say he was going to buy you a new scooter if Robinhood hits like $50 or something like that? You're down 4.2%, yeah. Put a V8 in it, Bill. Yeah. All right, we got a big chat coming in as Lucid starts to increase. Let's have a look at it. My options don't expire until January 21st. And the earnings report is on January 27th. I'm waiting for the move up to sell and the February options. Yes. buy the rumors, sell the news. I think we'll get Robinhood will start to go up, but I don't think the figures are going to be great for Robinhood, so it will drop after the news comes out. I think Muzan's right there. That was for your question. There we go. I put a screenshot in Discord. General chat. Thank you much, Neil. I'll go and check that out now. Thank you, Moo. I have a better understanding of your position now. Yep. Julius Caesar is still thinking about what I'm going to do with Hood. There we go. Let me have a look at Discord. You shared something. Let me have a look. A screenshot. Oh, here we go. Fluff Magic. When Martin asks what your trade figures are, I'm not sure which ones to use. Here's a screenshot. Do I use A in the top left or B in the bottom right? Let's have a look. Let's have a look at this. Let me share. There we go. This is your situation here. Thanks for this. This is on the Discord group. This was just sent in by WEBULL. Your overall portfolio is down 1.23. Yes, the position at the bottom, I think, is your day position. It's hard to tell from that, but I think that down $16 is your day position. Your overall portfolio is down 1.23. I think that's it. Yeah, you need to make sure you're on the day, not the the week or the month or the year, and then go to. I think that top one is the right one. Yeah. Very, very good. Thanks for doing that. And if anybody else wants to comment on that as well, you can go into the Discord group. I hope people will use the Discord group. It's great for asking questions and learning stuff from people. Brilliant. Right. Now, Lucid is doing well. Robinhood. Are we starting to see shoots? Robinhood's moving. Let's go over the overall portfolio. Visa just dropping back. We talked about Visa today. I think it's a good buy. The market is turning green. Oh, yes. Oh, I'm up. I'm up for the day. Oh, I was. I was. Okay, let's go back to the yeah, there we go. 1.39 on the hour. Okay. And very close now to turning green for the day. Let's see where it's coming from. Apple has dropped back. Tesla is improving. Rivian is having a good day. It's pumping up now. SPCE, have a great day. GGPI, moving up. Lucid is moving up. What about Hood? Hood is where it's at. It's what we're looking at because, particularly because Muzanella. I'm just going to stand a second, guys. I've been sitting down for too many hours. Oh, that's better. Whoa. My chiropractor told me that sitting is the new smoking. Apparently, people sit too much and it's not good for you. The market is turning green. Yes, let's hope it stays that way. Robinhood, threatening to go back down again. Ethereum is now pumping up, 2.47 today. That's good. Doge, sideways now. There we go. Bitcoin now doing well at 1.69. Come on. We reported this news this morning with Doge, of course, because it's accepted now by Tesla. Just for buying merchandise, though, I just want to stress that you can't buy a car with Dogecoin. So it's a kind of muted, if I'm honest, success for Doge, if I'm honest. Right. Just below the zero for today. If I could break through. Now I'm just upset. I was almost up, yeah. My position now is 21.38 on Robinhood. That's what I'm just trying to get out on. I want 15 shares. If I can get to 22. In fact, the way things are running at the moment, I would take 21.38 and just wash it and just sit out. But it doesn't look like that's going to happen right now. We will see in good time, I guess. Not much. Oh, hang on. I've got a message come through. Bill stuck in the garage. Who wants to see this? Bill stuck in the garage feeding the dog. Look. Bill stuck in the garage feeding the dog. He's literally stuck in the garage. Can someone go and rescue Bill, please? He's stuck in the garage. It's a bit funny. You got to be honest. It's a little bit funny, right? Martyn, are you going to accept Doge on your merchandise? Yes. Yes, I will. I'll take anything. I'll take biscuits, pegs, jam, cheese. I don't care. I'm going to start bartering. Forget money. Money's a waste of time. Just give me a box of tea, or I don't know. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Oh, talking of that as well, I have some exciting news for you. I had a conversation with my shop, Spring, and I'm a small channel and I'm a small shop. And anyway, listen, on Friday, hang on, what Tuesday? Hang on, today's Tuesday, Thursday. On Thursday, December the 16th, if you go to my shop, for one day only, we're bringing back Super 10. 10% discount on everything on Thursday. And remember that you can order, you can let me know if you want anything made for you. So if you want any of my merchandise signed with your name on it, Ash Singh! That sounds like a Sweetwater's request. Hey, Sweetwater's is here. Ash Singh is here. One of my friends, one of my mates is here. We're looking at Dogecoin this morning. You may have noticed, Ash, my channel is now monetized. I made 4,000 hours and I got accepted on the YouTube partner program in record time. It should take a month. It took an hour. So you can imagine how excited I am by that news this morning. I need to get Sophia the Martyn Lucas leggings. Right. Yeah, you do. And then take a picture. Right. Let me show you, right? This is what we're doing now. Okay. So Sweetwater could have their name on anything. How cool would this be? Sophia. So this is what we got. Let me show you how cool this is. And on Thursday, there's a 10% discount across the whole shop. Super 10. This is what you want to do. Let me show you right now. This is what you want to do. Right? Just to be sure, because some people have gone in, ordered something, and then said, could you put my name on it? No, you can't do that. What you order is what you order. All right? It tells you what you've ordered. If you want me to make you something, I make you it specifically. I charge $4 to spend half an hour and make it for you. Let me share with you what you can have. So here you go. Here is the full shop, right? You can have all these items, anything you like from the shop in any size, any color, you can have it with your name on it, right? And I'll show you that. So these are all the normal items you can have. You can order any one of these. But look at this. This is what you did. Richard Balassi ordered, look, Bill ordered them. Look, he wanted their own name on it, see? And then I'll hand sign it. It'll be hand signed. I actually write with a pen. It goes behind the glaze. It's not just a generated thing. Okay, I actually sign that. They're all different. Right? And then you scroll down, look, and Keen did it. Now Bill said, look, can I have some stuff in Chinese for my Chinese family? Look, so I did that, look. See, look. I read it in Chinese for Bill. I only charge $4 to do it like this. And now look at the leggings. This is what Sam should get his girlfriend. Look at this. Who reckons we want to see Sam's girlfriend, Sophia? Look, she can have, it's signed on one side and it's got the name. Alicia did it. Look, see that? Look, you can get that in any color. So what you do is you tell me what product you want, and then I will design it for you. It's a one-off. It's only one. I will make it for you, and you have your own list. And there's Patricia's. There's Paddy's, look. So there you go. All makes sense? Okay. So if Sweetwaters wants Sweetwaters on a mug or a bag or a T-shirt or whatever, Ash is thinking, I'm a shop. I got loads of stuff with Sweetwaters written on it. Yeah, but you don't have my logo on it, and you don't have me signing it, do you? No, you don't. And of course, everybody who buys one of my mugs gets to be on the show as well, or any item. If I'd love Sophia to do the leggings and send it in, that'd be great. Everybody wants to see it, right? And then when you do that, you come on to the you come on to here, right? Look, you get your name. What's going on here? I've got something broken again. Why has that done that? The big chat's not working again. Let's bring in the big chat. That's not supposed to be there. This is the big chat. What have I done? What have I done? There's something I'm not doing. Big chat. I thought it was there. Ah, I seem to have a little glitch in my system again. I can't work out why. All right, not worries. It's not working. Got a little glitch there, but you can actually, I can actually show your picture on the show, and I don't know why it's not happening. But anyway, let's have a look at these comments that's coming. I need to get, so yes, you do. Brilliant, you are the man. Are you still allowed to have bummer stickers on cars and bumper? Yeah, of course you are. Of course you are. I meant to say, yeah, I know. I know. I read it out afterwards, right? I'm going to Home Depot to buy some 4x4 to support Hood. Good. Moose, such a team player. Please do. Yeah, absolutely. Robinhood's now lifting up, though. Let's have a look at that, though. It is. So, let's see. Yeah, for some reason, I've lost my my fans page. My fans page is when you all send me pictures in, and I've got them to show, but it's not showing again. Don't know what happened there. Little glitch, but never mind. I'm sure we'll work it out. But anyway, there you go. So it is Super 10 on Thursday. All day on Thursday, you can order. But if you want any item, let me know if it's specific, and I'll make it for you. And I'll put it up on the shop, and I'll do it on Thursday so you can have it, and then you can go back and get the 10% discount, and you will have your very, very own merchandise as customized for you. All right, let's have a look. Has a portfolio turned green yet? It's up on the last hour, we're at 1%, but over the day, we're just down a fraction. We've just dropped a bit off. It's a bit frustrating, but let's all chant, Robin Hood, Robin Hood, riding through the glen. Robin Hood, Robin Hood, with his band of men. Feared by the bad, loved by the good. Robin Hood, Robin Hood, Robin Hood. There we go. There's a little moment for you. What the hell? It's all good in the hood. It's all good in the hood. You just got to wait it out. Wait it out. It's painful, I know. But there it is. It's the top circle, the bottom. Yeah, thank you. Our Bubble Man has just said thank you for reviewing his his chart there. We've done that, which is good. All right, brilliant. Okay. Martin, day trader car bumper stickers would be a good idea. Alrighty, I will do it. I will do it. Again, you could have your own license plate on it or your own name on it. But yeah, I will do a bumper sticker for cars. Okay, I will do that. Let me put that in my notes. I'll do that. Oh, I'm glad everyone's here. Everyone's here, right? I got some news. I won't be here today. Oh, I'm so sad. I won't be here today for the closing bell. And I won't be here tonight for the music show. I'm not here today, and I apologize, but I can't be here. I've actually got an in-person gig in a retirement village, a Christmas party for the old folks, and unfortunately I won't be here this afternoon for the closing bell. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So we're going to end the show shortly, very shortly, in fact. But I won't be here tonight for the closing bell. Space is moving up. Yep. It's doing good. Would have been a 5% swing today if you'd managed to invest in there this morning. We're still looking at Dogecoin. Dogecoin is just trading sideways now. Look at it. See, it's not doing anything on the basis of Tesla and Elon Musk. I knew it'd pump up. I mean, I didn't catch the news. I didn't know that was going to happen. But I'm not surprised it pumped up. But I'm not surprised it's fell back either, because the whole market's like it is right now. I'm not surprised by that at all. But anyway, Virgin Galactic is let's just hold it up there. Would be nice. Loose is moving up. Hood is trying to move up. Bumper stickers could say, let's not trade paint. Yeah, that's a good idea. I need some catchphrase on it. Yeah, that's a good idea. What about I'm moving up? So you got the day trader. And I'm in the green. I'm moving up. In fact, I like that. Let's not trade paint. That's good. That's the one, isn't it? Let's not trade paint. I'll design that. That's perfect. Let's not trade paint. I got it. I'm going to do let's not trade paint. I'm going to do a bumper sticker, the day trader, let's not trade paint. Smash the like button. Oh, apparently, I'll listen to this, folks. You want to hear something? You want to hear how this has all got out of control, right? How much work I put into this and how it's taken over my life. Apparently, during the night, while I was sleeping, I had a nightmare and I shouted out, are you ready, folks? Smash the like button. Yep, I said that in my sleep during the night. I had a nightmare. Let's smash the like button, apparently. Absolutely. It's brilliant. Hang on. What's it? Dave said you can tell your stocks are down if you're gigging in person, especially to old people that can't hear you. Yeah. I only do like 10, 20 in-person gigs a year. I mean, I don't do that many. They're very special. They're very exclusive. They're for not, big gigs. The rest is online now, but from time to time I do it. Robinhood's now moving up again. Good. I'm sure that will bring a lot more people to your channel. Excellent. That'd be cool, wouldn't it? Sam loves it. No worries, mate. It's going to be green, closing, just my thoughts, I believe as well. No worries. It is going to be green anyway. It's brilliant. Yeah, bestseller it will be. I love it. You gigging at old people's home just reminded me of Daniel Dean gag he used to say in your One Night in Vegas show. What did he say? Hey, Bala, you need to get commission on each bumper sticker. It sells now. It's a good one, isn't it? Oh, my God, yeah. That would be awesome, Dave Mottram. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, God. Yeah, I could do referrals. I could give you like a referral code. If you refer anyone to my shop and they buy the bumper sticker, then you get, I don't know, a commission for doing it. I wonder if I could do that. I wonder if I could get a referral, like a referral. That'd be good, wouldn't it? If you referred my shop, then you would get a commission. Brilliant. I love it. Absolutely love it. All right. Well, we're coming to the end of the show, so we're going to round up in a few moments' time, and we're going to discuss a few things about a few things. But I won't be here today for the closing bell. So I just want to, as we've got a lot of the family here today, again, thank everyone for supporting me over the last few months, religiously every day, and growing this channel. I can't believe that we did it so quick. If you actually Google the average time it takes for channels to get monetized, it can be years. Some people do it very quickly, but the majority, by a long way, take years. Martyn Lucas took me years. So we got done in 4 months. And the fact that we got also approved within an hour, and that normally takes a month, has been incredible. Absolutely incredible. And I'm going to share with you, and I said I would, how much money I get from the shows. I'm expecting it to be $1 a show, right? I haven't yet gotten it. It takes 2 days. It can take 24 hours, but often 2 days to start seeing the revenue. So in 2 days' time, and I'm not on about the super stickers, by the way, which if you want to support the channel and you want your name highlighted or you want your comment highlighted, you can now do a super sticker or a super chat. See the little dollar sign in the chat, you can do that. But I'm not on about that. I'm on about the ads itself. But I will share with you both. I haven't had it yet, so I'm waiting to find out what my revenue will be. I'll probably find out by tomorrow what Monday's show earned, and I'll tell you, and I'll share with you, and I'll show you on the screen so you can actually see it. I want to share that with you. The gag was, what has 100 legs and smells of Martyn Lucas? Oh no, I can't read that out. I'm not reading that out. Hello, Believer Bubble. I thought it was harsh, but that's a new level. Yeah, I'm not reading that out. Anyway, very, very funny. So let's have a quick review. I'm just going to sip my tea, and I'll be back in 10 seconds. A quick word from my sponsors. Be right back in 1 minute. 10 seconds. There we go. Fantastic. Good stuff. All right, we're going to close the show. I hope you've all enjoyed it. You've been an absolutely wonderful, wonderful audience today. Thank you very much for all being here. And it's been another hard day. Let's be honest. We're all down. Everyone's hemorrhaging money right now. It's a very, very tough day. But what can you say? I will miss you all this afternoon. I hope you all have a green day. I will be watching it. No, Martyn knows I love him, and it's meant with love. He's a phenomenal performer. Yeah. And like the video. Yeah, there you go. Smash the like button there. Did you like the video? There you go. Later all, have a wonderful day. Take care of yourselves, and let's hope today goes up. Let's have a quick look at where we are right now. The overall portfolio is just down slightly. It's a tough time right now, but hold your ground. If you're able to buy dips and trade them and flip them quickly, it's called scalping, then do. I've done it a few times. I'm not able to right now. I'll see you back later. I've got a lovely gig this afternoon. I've been there several times. Lovely place in Texas, Garland, Texas. And they all enjoy the music. It's their Christmas party. So I will see you all back later. Take care of yourselves. It'll be tomorrow morning. No show tonight. Tomorrow morning. Take care of yourselves and each other.